Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use the arrow keys. First you go to when flag is clicked. Take a forever and an if then. Then go to sensing. Go to when key up arrow pressed. Then go to motions. Take change Y by 10. Then copy this, duplicate this. You can duplicate it if you right click on the if. Then change the key up to down arrow. Change Y by -10. Then duplicate the if again. Then this shouldn't be down arrow. Make the down the right arrow and not change Y by. Take the change X by 10. Then duplicate this again. Go keep it after the if. Then not the change X by 10. Take the change Y by -10. And make the right arrow left arrow. Actually, don't make it change Y by -10. Take the change X and make it the change X to -10. Then it goes up, down, left and right. Bye everybody. Next time we'll see you next time. Bye.